This is the Pentax KP, Ricoh's latest 24-megapixel APS-C DSLR. The rugged, feature-packed KP is a flexible and dependable camera for experienced photographers, particularly landscape shooters. As we'd expect from a Pentax DSLR, it features 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization and a range of clever modes like pixel shift resolution that make use of the moving sensor. The KP is also weather-sealed and designed to operate in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a novel 3-dial control system for control over the camera's key settings like shutter speed and aperture size. We really like the KP's combination of distinctive looks, tough build, and compact proportions, which conceal a deceptively advanced feature set. For more information about the Pentax KP and all things photographic, head to DPReview.com.